Welcome to the MyLidl app. Let's take a quick look at what you can do to make your shopping experience at Lidl even better. Launching the app will take you to the MyLidl dashboard, and there are a ton of things that you can do from here. Looking for a specific product? Type it into the search bar and the app will show you all of your options at your local Lidl store. You can even click the recipes tab for some dinner time inspiration in case you feel like trying something new. Tapping on a recipe will take you to the ingredients page, where you can add everything straight to your grocery list for an even faster shopping experience, which we'll touch on later. Next, you can check out your MyLidl rewards that are earned while you shop throughout the month. Your Super Shopper rewards will unlock a new discount at every goal. The more you shop, the greater the reward. You can also unlock a frequent shopper reward by spending $20 or more 3 times throughout the month. Looking to see what's on sale this week? You can check out the weekly ad right in the app and even tap each individual product for more details. You can even preview next week's ad to see if it inspires any new dishes you'd like to bring to the table. Here, you can see your earned rewards and exclusive MyLidl app coupons to help plan your next trip. The grocery list feature helps ensure that you get everything you planned in one trip. It's also integrated into our recipes feature. Here you see the grocery list from the broiled scallops recipe we saw earlier in the video. With aisle sorting enabled, the app tells you which aisle each product can be found in, making your trip even faster throughout the store. Not sure what you're looking for? You can browse our entire assortment from the app and expand on any categories you'd like to see more from. We now have Shop Lidl integrated into the app, where you can sign up for home delivery as well. If you scroll further down, you can see some of our featured products for the week at a glance too. The Specials tab allows you to browse everything in their individual categories: upcoming weekend deals for the week, fresh deals, holiday products, limited time offers, and more. The Store tab gives you all the information for your home store and allows you to search for a nearby Lidl if you want to stop by while you're out and about. The Settings tab gives you your account overview and allows you to edit any of your information tied to your MyLidl account. Lastly, the Checkout tab is where you go to scan your QR code at checkout. This applies your coupons and selected rewards and logs your purchases to your account as you build your way to your next reward. We're always working to improve our app to help our Lidlers have the best shopping experience possible. You can download the MyLidl app in the Apple App Store or on Google Play and start saving today.